So good morning. This morning I am sitting here with my cup of coffee. I just woke up, kind of trying to come up with some meal ideas for the week. Um, I love meal planning, so it's okay to. This is kind of how I wake up Sunday morning a little bit. Um, so I got a new recipe book yesterday called Super Easy Burgers, and I got it on sale at Gordman's. Gordman's is going out of business, so let's see. It was $5.98 and they had 20% off that. So it was a pretty good price. The pictures of the recipes are really good. And because, of course, it's burgers, there's a lot of keto style recipes or recipes that you could make into keto. So I'm kind of using that this week to come up with some different recipe ideas. Let's see here. Let me back up a little bit so you can see the book a little bit better. I'm also using a Woman's World magazine for budget keto. There's not a lot of recipes, more than anything. Which magazine? It is dated 6/29, I think. There's just some interesting things. Let me move my matches. I always light candles in the morning when I'm sitting here drinking my coffee. There's my coffee, my candles, my new. My daughter laughed at me. They're not AirPods or earpods or iPods or anything like that. Those are just it's just a speakers and headphones for my camera. So I'm using budget keto. I'm using this burger recipes. I also got this book. I haven't dug into this yet. It's more paleo, low, but to me it seems keto. I haven't dug into those recipes yet. It's not as pretty, so we'll work on that one a little bit later. Although there is a chicken liver recipe in that I would like to try since I haven't used my chicken livers from last week's haul. So this week I'm using variations of this super easy burger thing recipe book. Let me move my Woman's World. See? Let me move my Woman's World and we'll kind of go through this together. So I knew what recipes I had got or what groceries I got in my grocery haul, and I hadn't had this yet at my grocery haul. But I kind of know what goes on keto because I was pretty successful at it in the past. So a keto staple for me, here's my little, for someone who hasn't watched me before, I did get this off Amazon, and I'll provide a link in my description below. So it's just a recipe pad. It sticks to the fridge. I'd rather have a spiral bound one, but I'll have to find one of those. I haven't been successful at that yet. I'm sure Amazon has something. But I like this because it does have a tear off shopping list. So on the off chance that I do my meal plans using this correctly, I would have my shopping list that would go with my meal plan. But today I kind of like this because it just does stick to the front of the fridge. Anyway, so today this week Monday we're having a Cobb salad. That's pretty standard for us on or off keto. Cobb salad is just, we take romaine lettuce. I got some yesterday at Aldi's and put a row of eggs, chopped up eggs, a row of bacon, a row of probably turkey meat. And then you make like whatever kind of dressing you choose. I'll be posting a video later this week or probably Wednesday that shows some of the different dressings that we use. So, Cobb salad on Monday, chicken Caesar burger from this super easy burger recipe book. Chicken Caesar burger that probably doesn't have enough fat for keto, so we will make some homemade Caesar dressing or some homemade some type of mayo based dressing. On Wednesday, I bought some salmon, so I love salmon. So we'll just have salmon with onions, cream cheese, and capers. I'm the only one in the house that will eat that particular meal. So my daughter's vegetarian anyway, so she usually just eats a similar meal. She watches Cheap Lazy Vegan and gets some ideas from that. She's not vegan, she is vegetarian. So there's a pizza burger recipe in this book. Let me find that looked fabulous. I don't know why I keep going in and out on my focus. I'll figure that out. So this book, it's 69 simple recipes, super easy burgers. There's all sorts of great recipes. So you see how pretty the rest of the book is. That always catches my eye. I love a pretty recipe book. And it's got pictures of all the recipes. So there's burger with fried onions and pickles. I mean, everybody knows how to do that, but it just gives you some incentive. Here's a bacon cheeseburger. Let's see, here's the pizza burger that we're going to have. So the pizza burger has, let's see, we won't put it on a bun. I won't. My son will, my daughter, she won't eat this particular meal. She'll substitute with other things. So a hamburger patty, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, tomato sauce, and fresh basil. I have all those ingredients. They're pretty standard in my cupboards. So, but it looked so beautiful, like such a pretty recipe. So that's going to be our Thursday night meal. I did buy some lamb chops. Again, I'm the only one that will eat lamb chops with cauliflower rice. My kids are 14 and 16. My daughter's vegetarian, and my son, he works at a fast food place. So he does his own thing. He's working quite a bit at fast food this summer. Normally that's not his thing. Normally he does school stuff. So he's all about earning the money. Let's see, Saturday, what do I have in the fridge? I know, Flav City. There's a YouTuber called Flav City. He has a Moroccan chicken stew, and I did buy some olives yesterday. So we'll have his Moroccan chicken stew. I don't know how to spell Moroccan. I'll figure that out. It's an absolutely beautiful recipe, so we'll try that one. So his name is Flav City, and he's on YouTube. I do have his cookbook. His real name is Bobby Parrish. So, and he and his wife have a gorgeous cookbook that I use pretty frequently. They're more paleo than they are keto, but still the recipes are fabulous. And then Sunday, I don't know what we'll have on Sunday. Maybe I will roast a chicken in the crock pot. So to roast a chicken in the crock pot, again, that's a really easy recipe. You just take a whole chicken, throw it in the crock pot, put whatever kinds of seasonings. I prefer garlic, onion. I kind of make it taste like it's got garlic, onion. I may put a little bit of smoke seasoning in there. Just a tiny bit, and you don't put any other liquids. The chicken cooks down in its own fat the way we do it. It's an old Weight Watchers recipe, but with Weight Watchers, you actually put the balls of aluminum foil on the bottom of the pot. Well, with keto, you want those fats because it's a high-fat, moderate protein diet. So we'll make the roast chicken using an old Weight Watchers idea. You put the whole chicken in the crock pot for about, I do it for about 6 hours on low, and it gets fall off the bone tender. So we'll do something with that roast chicken on Sunday. So I just thought I would like to share with you what I do for my meal planning and how easy meal prepping actually is and meal planning. This way I don't have to think about the recipes and think about what we're having for dinner. I already know when I get home. Good morning. It's pretty early. I'm being kind of quiet. Drinking my coffee. I have Great Value Keurig cups. They have lovely flavors. They're very inexpensive. This one's a coconut. So this morning I'm going to show you how I do meal planning. I've done meal planning my whole life. My mom used to do it. That way you don't really have to worry about what you're having for dinner when you get home from work, because everybody's rushed and hurried nowadays. It's also a little cheaper, so you're not so tempted to go out. So I hope you enjoy. So I hope you liked how I do the meal planning and the meal prepping. I'm not doing a whole lot of meal prepping this week. That'll be coming in the future as I get a little bit more used to doing this and helping you. I hope you have a great week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.